Hi, I'm Molly, a pelvic floor physiotherapist here at Proactive Pelvic Health. If you're pregnant and starting to think about your labor and delivery plans, you may be wondering about perineal massage. I'm going to explain what perineal massage is and why you might want to be doing it during your third trimester. Perineal massage is a stretching practice of the perineal tissues. The perineum is this area here between the vagina and the anus. This space needs to widen and expand and stretch and lengthen in order for baby to make their descent out of the vaginal canal. There are different techniques used to perform this massage, but basically it involves inserting a finger vaginally and then pushing downward to stretch the tissues off to the sides in this downward motion to allow the whole perineal area to receive that stretch. Research has shown this to be an effective practice at reducing the risk of perineal trauma. This includes the risk of an episiotomy during birth or a more severe spontaneous perineal tear, which would involve the anal sphincters. The other main benefit of this practice is getting used to the discomfort associated with the birth itself, and then actively practicing how to relax these pelvic floor muscles, which will make the baby's descent easier through the vaginal canal. Many past clients report feeling more empowerment and more preparation, having practiced this prior to experiencing the vaginal delivery. It is recommended to start this practice around 34 to 36 weeks of pregnancy. So if you're there and you're interested in getting more individualized guidance on how to perform this yourself or with a partner, please reach out so a pelvic floor physiotherapist can help.